G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And this week, it's Cyber Week at Wurth Australia. Now, we've put these fantastic packs together for everybody, and the management come and asked me, what is my favourite products that Wurth have? So, I've put together this selection of 6 cans, all right? And what I love about this is it comes with this can holder, which you can hook on the side of your toolbox. So the cans are there, ready for you, whenever you want them. So let's have a look what I've got in my pack. So the first thing here is our RPR, our rubber rejuvenation spray. This stuff, you spray it on all your rubbers. It can be automotive, it can be in the home, wherever, and it'll soften those rubbers and keep them nice and soft and sealing. All right, but it'll also give them a shine. You can use it as a tyre shine as well. It gives that fantastic sort of wet look that you can get on your tyre shine. So that goes into my basket. The next one here, this is one of my absolute favourite products. It's the Wurth Boltex. Now this is a penetrant. This is for getting out those seized and rusted up bolts. It is fantastic. It creeps down, it dissolves the rust and turns it into like a paste, and it reacts really fast so you can get those rusted bolts out. So in it goes. This one here, curtain track lube. Now, you can use silicone spray in vehicles, but I really like the curtain track lube. Obviously, you can use it on curtain tracks. It's fantastic because it doesn't attract any dirt, but it has a fantastic smell. Unfortunately, we don't have smell-o-vision, so you can't smell it, but it is a really nice fragrance. So when you're using it inside a vehicle or inside a home, you get this nice fragrance rather than a chemical sort of smell. So in the basket it goes. Next is the Wurth brake cleaner. Fantastic brake cleaner for cleaning all your brake components, but all your other greasy, oily components as well. Just spray it on, wash off all the grease and grime, and it's dry within a few seconds and you're ready to go. So in the basket it goes. Wurth Ultra 2040. This is our general purpose lubricant for spraying door hinges, for spraying on your tools so they don't rust. 101 uses for this product. Everybody should have one in the workshop and at home just for a general maintenance spray. And lastly is the Wurth Interior Care. So this, you spray it on all your dash and your door trims and everything, and it brings everything up like new, and it has a really nice fragrance as well. So any dirty marks or fingerprints, things like that inside your vehicle, roof linings, dashboards, door trims, all that sort of stuff, spray it on, let it activate, and then just wipe it away. And as I said, a really nice spray. So they're all available this week in Cyber Weeks. So, as I said, comes in this fantastic holder which just clips on the side of your toolbox, and then all these products are there ready for you to use. So look out for all the fantastic Wurth Cyber Week specials. Now they're only available online and for this week only. Now if you have any questions about this pack or any of the others, leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and let me tell you, this pack, it's ready for work.